Hey, as you can see here, verify your account. So now I am going to remove this FRP. So now you have to go back and now remove the backside, and guys, input your sim. You can see here, insert any sim in this mobile. After that you have to connect this backside. After, go in emergency call. You can see here, and emergency information used to finger. Okay, and click on pencil. After that you have to add number, contact, add the contact, and click on any contact, click on contact profile. And so now you have to click three dot and share the contact and hold message app info. So now you have to scroll down and yes app. You can see here, open links, click on and scroll down last in YouTube. When you click on YouTube, then click on icon and app notification. After, scroll down additional settings and scroll down, click on about and YouTube trimmed up service. You can see here Chrome browser is open now and accept, next, and no thanks. And Chrome browser is open now. So guys, input this profile, input this link frpfile.com/bypass. When you write complete link, then click on go and search it. Guys, this link is open now, and now you have to download Google Account Manager 8 version. You can see here, continue and download it. After, allow and okay, and you have to download bypass FRP file. You can see here, click on bypass FRP and okay. So after that you have to click on three dot in browser. You can see here in the last three dot and click on downloads. Two application downloaded. Now you have to install Google Account Manager and settings, allow from this source and go back and install this application. Wait, it's working now, and click on done. So now you have to install bypass FRP file. Click on bypass FRP and install it. It's working now, and you have to open this FRP, bypass FRP. Click on open. So now you have to click on three dots and browse sign in and okay. So now you have to enter your email. When you enter your Gmail, after that you have to click on next, and then you have to input your password. After, you have to click on sign in. And now sign in complete. Now you have to restart your mobile. Click on the power button. You can see here and restart it. After, restart your mobile and get start. Okay, start and checking for updates. You can see here, and account new setup and account added. You can see here, and so now you have to next, getting account information. Just a second. So now you click escape and not now, escape anyway. After, click on more and I agree, no thanks, adding finishing touch and next. Click your country and next. So guys, FRP is removed now, and you can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and don't forget it. So now I'm going to next videos. Bye, be back later, see you next.